Hey fam, while my friend and I are in Chicago, we are going to check out the Shoreline Sightseeing Architecture River Tour. Let's go check it out. Just got on the tour now. It did not start yet, but if you are staying at the Intercontinental, where I am staying at, it is literally like 4 minutes to get here. And so I'm anticipating this tour to be a great tour. It is 75 minutes long. And so if you are in the sun like I am, which I did not do, make sure you have some sunscreen. There are some seats in the back that is shaded and covered, but for the most part, it is not covered. So make sure you have some sunscreen, make sure you have some shades, and be ready for this tour. So what did I think about the tour? I thought that the tour was great. I'd love to see Chicago from this viewpoint, see the beautiful buildings. You get to hear some history from the host while he's talking. And so I enjoyed it. I would recommend it if you do come to Chicago. Come and do this tour. Can you do me a favor, family? Can you like, comment, subscribe? Click on the notification bell to be informed of future posts. It will greatly help my channel. And for my returning subscribers, thank you so much for supporting the way that you do. This is Paul from Travels with PNB. And until next time, happy travels.